Title: Why USDJPY Could Bounce Up. Forex Strategy Factory Analysis. March 11th, 2026. Today we are analyzing the USDJPY pair using my 2026 chart Easy Reader strategy. Date of analysis: March 11th, 2026. Let's start by identifying the trend direction, which is the most important rule of the strategy. Looking at the Ichimoku Scanner on the H4 timeframe, USDJPY is currently showing B zone. According to the rules of this strategy, when a pair is in B zone, the overall market trend is bullish, and we focus only on buy opportunities. Next, we confirm the structure using the moving averages and Bollinger Bands. On the chart, we can see that the 50 moving average is above the 100 moving average, and the 100 moving average is above the 200 moving average. This alignment confirms that the market structure remains bullish, even though the price is currently pulling back. Now let's look at the price behavior near resistance. USDJPY recently rejected a monthly resistance area around 158.40 to 158.60, which caused the temporary pullback we see now. This type of pullback is normal in trending markets and often creates the next buying opportunity. Now we check the support structure. The key support zone on this chart is between 157.70 and 157.40. This area aligns with previous consolidation, moving average support, and the middle Bollinger Band. When multiple technical factors align at a support zone, the probability of a bullish bounce increases. Next, we confirm the momentum. In the lower momentum panel, we can see that the red momentum line is declining while the green line is starting to stabilize. This indicates that the selling pressure is weakening, which increases the chances of a bounce from support. Now let's look at the possible trade setup. If price reaches the support zone and confirms the bounce, the buy entry zone would be between 157.40 and 157.20. The stop loss should be placed below the support structure at 156.80. For profit targets, the first take profit level is 158.40, which is the previous resistance area. The second take profit target is 159.20 if the bullish momentum continues. So the full trade plan for this setup is pair USDJPY. Action: buy entry zone 157.40 to 157.20. Stop loss 156.80. Take profit 1 158.40. Take profit 2 159.20. And remember the fast exit rule of this strategy. If you enter the trade and you see two Renko bricks forming against your position, exit the trade immediately to protect your capital. This rule helps traders avoid deep pullbacks that could return profits back to the market. If you want to learn my chart Easy Reader Forex strategy step by step, check the link in the description. And for more Forex chart analysis and trading setups, follow Forex Strategy Factory.